The poet more wants to say that we should know the value of love. We should know the value of life, and life should be filled with love, affection, care, attachment. So these all characteristics, compassion, we find in the story. Value of love. Hari Singh, he has realized the value of love. He has realized the value of human relationship. That is why he is reformed today. That is why he has come back from station on the way. That is why he has returned. That on the way when he reached there also at the station, but he did not wait. He has come back. He could have waited for the next train, or he could have decided that no, I would not return, but he didn't do so. He decided that I should not deceive a merciful or a kind or a compassionate person who has given me shelter. So, what the main factor which has worked within his mind and soul, that is the repentance. Today he is repented. This also Ruskin Bond, he has emphasized this characteristic of human being, that is repentance. Suppose often we do commit many, not only crimes, commit many guilts or sins. Often we do commit, but if we are repentant for our deed, wrong deed, if we realize, and after that realization we reform ourselves, and that is the connection between the wrong work or wrong deed and the repentance or realization. So then we understand the human value or values of life, and why that value, it is so important. Value and importance is same, but why the value of life is so important in human life, which Hari Singh, he has realized today. Why and when? When he returns once again to his master's house, his conscience was not allowing him to escape from that place with the robbed amount. This, the author, he wants to convey, and this is the moral of the story. We can say that this is the moral of the story. Only through two characters the author has presented the value, the repentance, the compassion, mercy, kindness, and analysis of our soul, of our mind. So all characteristics of human being through two characters author has presented before us. So Ruskin Bond is also one of the popular and renowned authors in the field of English literature, and who has presented a lot of short stories, touching stories. This is also one of the touching stories of Bond, Ruskin Bond, through which the readers also can realize the value of life. After reading the story, we also realize the value of life, which is conveyed by the author in front of us through two characters, and the name of the story is The Thief Story. The name is The Thief Story. But today Hari Singh is no more a thief. Now he has reformed himself to a good person, because repented, he is repentant today. So this is the analysis of the story, guys. I don't want to excerpt this chapter, and whatever the message the author he has conveyed to the readers already I have told you, and in my previous teaching, the same chapter, I have taught you about the character, or about the characteristics, or about the content, or the summary of the chapter. So in my coming lecture or coming teaching next time, I will give you some questions based on these two chapters. Today I have taught you fog, and from the supplementary book, this story, the thief story. And till then, what will you do? You will read the chapter thoroughly. Read the chapter thoroughly and write on your own the summary of the story. You will write the summary of the story in your notebook. This is your home assignment. No critical study, no content, nothing. Critical study already you have heard. You can take reference of today's lecture, today's teaching if you want. So you will write only the summary of the story. So till then, guys, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Bye-bye.